to Akshata's recipes, or welcome here if you're new. So today's recipe is this lovely boiled egg masala. It's very simple, and watch the video till the end because I'll show you how to make hard-boiled eggs at home. It's super simple and very easy. So let's jump into today's recipe. So let's see today's lovely boiled eggs in a gravy or boiled egg masala recipe. Now here I've got 4 hard-boiled eggs. Like I said, watch the video till the end, so I'll show you how to make these 4 boiled eggs. And now with a sharp serrated knife, I'm just going to cut them up into halves and set them aside. So now I'm going to prep up my other ingredients. So I'm going to be using 1 medium-sized onion, which I'm going to chop fine. Next, I'm going to use 1 green chili, which I'm going to be chopping fine. 1 tomato. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. So I'm going to be chopping that fine too. So all our fresh ingredients are ready. Now in a pan, I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to add the green chili. This will flavor the oil. And now I'm going to add the onion. We're going to saute the 2 of them till the onion becomes nice and translucent. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll leave a recipe of how I prepare my ginger garlic paste at home. Then I'm going to add only half the quantity of the fresh coriander leaves. This really flavors the dish very well. And we're going to leave the other half for the garnish. So I'm going to saute all of this really well. And now I'm going to add the tomato that we chopped fine. We're going to mix all of this really nicely. So this dish gets ready really quickly. So if you don't want to prepare something really elaborate, although you want to have something delicious, this is the ideal dish. And now I'm just going to cover and cook this for about 3 minutes till the tomatoes become nice and soft. And after 3 minutes, we're just going to mix everything again. Now the tomatoes have become a little nice and soft and mushy. Now we're going to add a few masalas. So I'm going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now you can also substitute the Kashmiri red chili powder with some paprika. Mix all of this well together. And now I'm just going to add about a 1/4 cup or 1/4 cup of water because we want to cook all of this and we want a slight gravy for this masala, this egg masala. So we're going to just mix everything together, and again we're going to cover and cook this for another 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, we're just going to mash up all of this. So I'm going to be using my pav bhaji masher, or you can use a potato masher, and we're going to mash up everything till all of it becomes really, really nice and into a thick kind of a gravy. So now you can see that all of it is nicely mashed up and it's all come together really well. And now I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water because we do want a little bit of a gravy. And now we're just going to add a few more ingredients. So I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of homemade garam masala. I'll leave a link of how I made my garam masala at home. Some salt to taste. And the remaining coriander, the fresh coriander. We're going to mix all of this nicely together. And now we're going to add the boiled eggs, which we've cut up into halves. Place them very gently into this gravy. And then with a spoon, we're just going to Put a little bit of the gravy on top of the eggs very gently. We don't want to break the eggs. And then again, we're just going to cover and cook this for about another 2 to 3 minutes so everything comes together really well. And that's it, guys. Our lovely egg masala or boiled egg in a gravy is all ready. And just garnish it with a sprig of coriander and you're all set. So this dish goes really well with some roti or puri or chapati, or even with some pav, or even with some rice. It tastes really, really delicious. And like I said, I'm going to show you how I hard boil eggs. It's super simple. So let's get started with how to boil eggs to the perfect hard boil consistency. So what I do is I first place the eggs in a large bowl of water and I put it onto the heat and I let this water come to a boil on a medium to high flame. And when it starts boiling vigorously like this, we're going to let it boil for a good 5 whole minutes. And after that, I'm going to turn the flame off and I'm going to let the eggs remain in this water till the water comes to room temperature. And once it's come to room temperature, I'm just going to put them under some cold water, running water. And then once they're nice and cool, I'm just going to remove the peel like this. It comes off very, very easily. Without any effort. And that's it. We've got these beautiful hard-boiled eggs. Wasn't that a real simple and delicious recipe? Do try it out, and if you like it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and click on all. That way, whenever I put up a video, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything happening on my channel. Thank you so much for being part of Akshata's recipes, watching my videos. Thank you so much for your feedback, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Till then, guys, take care. Bye.